Welcome back to my channel. My name is Dijah Alize. If you're new here, if you're not, again, welcome back. Today, as you can see by the title of this video, I will be reviewing this hair from Beauty Forever Hair. This is a highlight, as you can see, like their piano key ombre type wig, but it's in a bob form. So pretty much this wig came in 14 inches. As you'll see in this video, I did cut this wig, so that's why it looks this length. In no way am I a pro, as you guys will see, but I do my best. So before we get into this video, don't forget to please like, comment, and subscribe. And don't forget to please check the description box for all the information on this hair, and check out Beauty Forever's Amazon link.
I would like to get to know if you could be the kind of girl that you could get down for. 'Cause when I look at you, I feel something tell me that you're the kind of guy that I should make a move on. And if I don't let you know, then I won't be for real. I could be wrong, but I feel like something could be going on. The more I see it, that it becomes so true. There ain't no other for me, it's only you. I wanna be down with what you go. I wanna be down. No matter the time of day and night, it's gonna be down. Wanna be down.
Yo, hear me out. Anybody do that dance and nasty up and them nasty up. Fix things, quick things, loopings. Well, alright then. From you see me a cleanest. Those when me rocking and the fucking realest. Ching ching. In a the Louis V vest. Girl want with his squeeze silicon and real bless. Turn a low breeze for the head of my penis. Coolest breeze that me rocking a sleeveless. Ease out.
I would like to get to know if you could be the kind of girl that you could get down.
So this is the finished look. My final thoughts on this wig is that I really do like the wig. As you guys can see, the lace was pretty clear in my opinion. So this is my second wig from Beauty Forever Hair. One that I just bought previously in the past, didn't do a video on or anything like that. But from what I have found from them, their lace is good, especially for dark skin tones, which is not that easy to find. A lot of them come in lighter colors, so it's hard to find good lace when you're dark skinned. But this lace is really good. The hair is actually really soft. I really didn't have any problems with the hair, like as far as coming from the company. The only problems I had is stuff that I made because I'm not that great at cutting. So that's problems I made on my own. But as far as how the hair came, the coloring in it, the length of it is what I ordered. It's exactly the same. And I enjoyed this hair. I do like it. I can see myself wearing it out. Definitely will do good in some pictures. So yeah. So if you guys like this wig and you like this video, don't forget to please like, comment, and subscribe. And don't forget to check my description box for all deets on this hair and if you would like to purchase this hair. So yeah. Thank you guys for watching and see you in the next one.